Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine Jones, and I am going to be discussing my field experience checkpoint summary. So, my checkpoint one was during the time that we had a faculty meeting on October the 4th. And during this time, we were introduced to this lesson plan template that we would be implementing during our remediation block. And the remediation block came about from my previous class, my Lab 3 course, and I helped the school come up with a remediation block. So during this particular staff meeting, we discussed the lesson plan template and how the remediation block should look per grade level. We just hit it. We didn't fully discuss what the remediation block would look like. This particular meeting was more so about the lesson plan template. And on my next slide, you can see just a little bit of the agenda. We did discuss other things such as the curriculum and instruction updates, who was going to be the SIT team chair, as well as the MTSS team, what planning amongst grade levels should look like. Also, a big thing in our district is using Canvas. So that also, the lesson plan template kind of went along with what it should look like in Canvas. And the lesson plan also that we will be using school-wide for our regular classroom content, we discussed that lesson plan also. So it's two different lesson plans template, the lesson plans that we use to go with our Canvas, as well as the lesson plan for the remediation block. And I just put the checkpoint, the initial meeting, and what we discussed, as well as the agenda from that meeting. Checkpoint 2 was another faculty meeting that we had on November the 1st. And this meeting, we talked about the All-In Learning platform and the professional development that we will be receiving from using the All-In Learning platform, which is a new platform for everybody. So we definitely benefited from the professional development. And this data from this program will also help us in our remediation block that we're going to be having school-wide. And we also discussed the need for Quick Fives that will also go along with our remediation block. And on the next slide, you will see that I have the agenda that we discussed on November the 1st, as well as just some little notes. Again, the school-wide remediation block, the times when we will be doing the remediation block, making sure that all the students are uploaded on All-In Learning, the use of clickers that will go along with the All-In Learning. We definitely talked about that and the importance of data using this All-In Learning platform. Checkpoint 3 was different. It was during the MTSS meeting, and that was on November the 17th. All the members that are part of the MTSS team was present. And we discussed how the MTSS process should be implemented and making sure teachers are using research-based interventions. And on the next slide, you will see the agenda as well as the checkpoints that were discussed. So during this meeting, this was not a school-wide meeting. This was just a grade level representatives. And I am a grade level representative for the MTSS team for 5th grade. So as you can see, we discussed how documentation should be presented. We talked about the interventions. The MTSS chair, she presented the paperwork and how the process should look. And it's just more so making sure that you are following the procedures when referring students for exceptional services. So this one was a very informative meeting. I learned a lot of different information because I've never been on the MTSS team and I've never been a part of a school that has had the MTSS team. So just knowing the process and how to really go about referring students for exceptional services. I think is very beneficial because I'm actually in the process of trying to refer a student now. So this MTS, being on the MTSS team and getting all the information that I need to make sure I'm following the correct procedures so that I can see if this student could benefit from services or even qualify for services. So I think this was a very beneficial meeting, and I'm happy to be a part of this team just so I can know exactly what to do. But overall, this learning experience for the field experience has just been a great experience. I liked how we was able to just hit the checkpoints, although I've been to several meetings, but these are the meetings that I felt were very beneficial for this class to discuss. So thank you.